Okay, I don't know how to answer that question. Okay, my accent. Some people actually mistake me. Some people say that I sound like a boy person. Some say that I sound like a Delta. Some say that I sound like a Anambra. Why are you guys so eager to know where I come from? Why are you so eager to know where I come from? Just take the message. If you want to know where I come from, Priscilla and Annie, contact me on my WhatsApp. Then we'll talk about it. Okay. Then, okay, let me continue with that one there. Why is Ocha in France? Okay, why is Ocha in France actually believe that that she's there? You know, I told us that nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. That's the reason why she is doing what she's doing. I watched a video of Humble Lions, made mention of what he felt about why he's in France by what he's doing, because it is not ordinary. It cannot. There's no way it can be ordinary, because she said it. She's saying what she's saying with kind of. She put her mind and her energy to make you somehow believe that she's saying the truth. But she will never ever let you know her motive and the reason why she's doing what she's doing. And that reason is why we're here. I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. Before I said that, listen to this, then I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. Just pay attention to this video. Listen to this, then I will tell you why she chose to do what she's doing. I want to because I can see that my voice is coming out, from this device. Okay, let me take it back again so that you know I don't want any interruption. Now here. Listen. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Now, that is short video that Ogekere Camps are using now to catch crews. This thing that she said here is a lie from pit of hell. You don't need to be in the cabinet to identify this. You don't need to be in a cabinet to identify that what she just said now is a lie. Are you getting my point? That we mean once you want to say, you want to talk about, hey, PM, they kick you out. You have to call Agi. I mean, it's not possible, right? She's saying that as if she knows what she's like. What she's saying is true, but it's a lie from pit of hell. The reason why she's doing what she's doing now is because from the intel, she told COS and USB government that she wants to be in charge of buying catapult and gravel for men on ground. Like she wants to be, what is her position? I don't know if she want to push. Not she don't say she wants Solomon to go, but she want to, even though you have the defense secretary there and deputy defense secretary there, she want to be in charge of their money, buying something, going to market, that kind of thing. Be their spokesperson between men on ground and government. That's what I was told. When I hear this, when somebody briefed me on this thing, I was like, no wonder. And to cement it, that is why she keep on contacting men on ground. Every now and